Okay, this swarm was deep in this plant. Way back in there. You can still see some of them. And what I did was I used a smaller nuke box, a cardboard one, and I stuck it back in here on my hand with one hand, and I shook the branches with the other because there's 20 or 30 branches in there, so I couldn't get the I couldn't really let them walk in there because there's no way to support the box because it's all the way down through here. And then once I got them in, most of them in the box, I brought them down. They're sitting on the fence, and I'm trying to get them down the rest of the way. You can see these are trying to bring their buddies, their sisters, into the box. They're fanning. Give them a bridge and they will walk in. I don't know why so many bees prefer to walk in. So this is the bottlebrush tree that they were in. And I had to stand on the second from the top rung and reach pretty much full reach. They're probably, let's see, I was standing 6 feet off the ground. So they're probably 12 feet up. They're about even with my head in that bush. That's why I couldn't set up a camera to film. Very difficult location. So I'm just hoping most of them now come down. It's kind of interesting. I'll show you this one more time. Coming up the ramp.